In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Classroom classes with our easy-to-follow step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Managing your Google Classroom environment can sometimes mean needing to clean up or remove classes that are no longer active or necessary. Whether you've wrapped up the school year, finished a course, or simply need to streamline your dashboard, knowing how to properly delete classes is essential. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to the Google Classroom homepage. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account where the class you wish to delete is listed. If you're managing multiple Google accounts, double check that you're operating in the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. Once you're on the Google Classroom homepage, you should see a list of your current classes displayed on the screen. Navigating this page might be familiar territory, but it's critical to identify the exact class you want to delete to avoid any accidental removal of active courses. As you move your cursor over the class card, look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. This icon represents the More Options menu, which we'll need to access next. Click on the More Options menu to reveal a drop-down list of actions you can take, such as editing class details, accessing notifications, or archiving. For our purpose, we'll need to click on the Archive option. Archiving essentially moves your class into a sort of purgatory. It's out of your immediate view on the homepage, but isn't permanently gone yet. You might wonder why we archive a class as opposed to immediately deleting it. Archiving is an important step because it not only detaches the class from your active dashboard, but also allows you to access materials in the future should you need them. It's a safeguard ensuring we don't lose anything we might regret later. Once you've archived your class, a confirmation message will appear asking you to affirm this choice. Simply click Next to proceed. After clicking Next, you'll see another prompt asking if you're sure you want to finalize this action. To complete the process, click on Archive once again. If at any point you realize that you've archived a class by mistake, don't worry, you can always restore it from the Archive Classes section within Google Classroom. There you can view it or bring it back to your active classes if needed. By following these steps, you've successfully cleaned up your Google Classroom dashboard, ensuring you're only focusing on active, relevant courses. This helps maintain an organized and efficient online learning environment. Thanks for watching our tutorial today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to navigate various digital tools for educators.